Hey guys, welcome back. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for being with me till now, and to my new subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. So guys, I'm not a pro in making waakye, but for today's video you can now call me Jamila. It's very easy and simple to make. You need only 2 ingredients for this recipe, so please stay tuned and let's get started. Ingredients you need are black beans and your rice. Please make sure your beans is washed thoroughly before you soak it for a couple of hours. Okay, so soaking the beans helps to reduce the cooking time and also reduce the amount of gas. Okay, we'll go ahead to transfer the beans, including the water, okay, into the cooking pot, then transfer it on the stove. So I added more water and cover it to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. And on the side, I'm frying my fish to go with the waakye. So after cooking for about 20 minutes, the beans begins to loosen up and it should be just tender. Okay, so you check one of the beans just to make sure it can be split into 2. Now I'll go ahead to add in my washed rice. I'm using jasmine rice, but you can use any rice you prefer. At this point, you can choose to add more water if you want, but I like my waakye not too soft, okay? So we'll go ahead and add some salt to taste. Then give it a quick mix and taste to see if my salt is okay for me. We'll go ahead to cover and let the rice and beans absorb all the liquid. So after 10 minutes, we'll add in coconut oil, then mix it together. If you're still watching, then this is a good time to please click on the like button, subscribe, share and comment down below. So we'll go ahead to cover it with a parchment paper, or you can use your kitchen towel, and allow the steam do the magic. Now you want to lower the heat so that we don't burn our waakye. After 10 minutes, look at that. So I went ahead to cover and continue the cooking for additional minutes in the same medium-low heat. Okay, guys? After 7 minutes, our waakye is ready. No leaves, no baking soda waakye. Where are my waakye lovers? Because there's a party going on here. Me say ebusuafo nia ohia ye chito kakra, wele kakra, gari kakra, salad kakra, stew kakra. Ebeye dekeke. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.